Hey everyone, Erin here from Luxe Fifth Wheels, and welcome back to the second installment of our Follow series. We're tracking the Luxe 33EFS all the way down the line production. If you haven't seen the first video, I will link it in the description below. But let's get started. Today's station is a great place to talk about one of the most important, but often overlooked parts of your fifth wheel, the underbelly and tank system. Here at Luxe, our underbelly design includes 3 forms of heat to keep your coach protected and comfortable in all seasons. We have the radiant heat, which is what most other coaches have, which comes from the furnace heat runs. We do a 12-volt heat pad on the freshwater tank. And we do direct forced heat from a 40,000 BTU furnace. This triple layer approach ensures that your tanks and plumbing systems stay warm even in freezing conditions, and that your coach truly performs as a 4-season fifth wheel. Now let's focus on the tanks and their structure. In many coaches, tanks are simply supported by rails underneath. Here at Luxe, we take the step further. Our tanks are supported by plywood, the straps you see, and the structural rail for maximum strength and stability. Now you'll notice the straps have a little bit of room to them, and that's intentional. It allows for any natural expansion or contraction in the tank structure as temperatures change. On the 33EFS, you will find a 75-gallon freshwater tank, a 40-gallon black tank, and a total of 80 gallons for gray. That's an impressive setup for one of our smallest full-time coaches. And before we move on from this station, I just wanted to take another look at the beautiful wiring that we covered in the last video. Clean, organized, labeled for easy maintenance and reliability down the road. Thank you for joining me here at this stage of the Luxe 33EFS Follow series. Next up, we'll be diving into the flooring stage, where you'll see this coach really start to take shape. I'll see you then.